Well, this was certainly unexpected.
Zoe, what am I? Wait, no, am I?
Yes, calm down. We're just pigs.
Just pigs. Just pigs?
Actually, we're super pigs.
I think I'm gonna have a panic attack.
Ah, you'll warm up to your super pig powers in no time. Boing, boing, hoo-hoo!
I want apples.
Right! The door wants apples. Let's find them. Ooh, found an apple!
Got an apple?
Snack is served.
Delicious apples. Thank you.
This side story is wild, Zoe.
Oh, relax, city girl. Have fun. Get muddy.
I'm hungry.
Gotta love a pig spa. Oh, I love muddy puddles.
Another apple!
I'm still hungry.
Apple here. Chew on these mighty fine apples.
I do love me some apples.
This might actually be the first idea for a story I ever wrote down as a kid.
So you're a country gal?
Yep, from head to toe. Or, I mean, from snout to hoof.
Feed me.
Rainbow power!
Fancy some apples, good sir?
I do. How did you know I love apples?
My house is indestructible!
Looks stable, I guess.
Or is it now?
You can't come in!
Can't believe I'm sick. Ooh, broccoli rules.
Nothing's better than homegrown vegetables.
I think I could get used to being a pig, actually.
Oh, enjoy it while it lasts.
Yeah, go slide!
Yep, here we go.
What the hell, Zoe?
What? Oh God! I know. Let's just end this. Whee!
Yeah, why don't I just grill myself, hmm?